Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video it's gonna be this makeup look that only focusing on the skin, the first date, innocent girl, natural makeup type of look. And if you're curious how I get this look, then keep on watching. You know the drill. I'm gonna prime my face with the fresh vitamin Nectar. Okay, my face is dry now, and now I'm gonna prime my face with the primer. This is Olay Luminous Whip. It's a priming moisturizer. It has dimethicone in it, so I'm not using it in daily skincare routine, just when I do makeup. My eyes still have some stain from my last video, which I did a Bratz doll challenge. I will link that video down below. After that is dry, I'm gonna conceal my mouth area with Cover FX Correct Click. This is in peach. And I'm gonna blend that with a foundation brush. And for foundation, I will be mixing the Fenty Beauty with the TooFaced Born This Way. I was kind of like experimenting around, and I found that these two combinations just give me like natural, my skin but better type of look. And it's pretty good match too. For concealer, I will be using the ColourPop No Filter Concealer, and this is shade medium 28. I love this applicator. I think it's the same one that Fenty has. Oh, to be fair, this one came out first, so I should say Fenty has the same applicator as this one. And I'm gonna set my under eye and the center of my face with Fenty Beauty powder. This is banana powder. And then after that, I'm gonna use finishing powder, and this is Bareminerals Stardust Deluxe Original Mineral Veil. Such a long name. So I'm gonna put on the cap, and then I just use powder brush, and then I'm just like go over on the cap. Just make sure everything is melt in the brush, and then just lightly dab on my face. And then I will do my brows off camera using the NYX micro pencil in chocolate, and I will be right back. Time to bronze my face up, and I will be using the Milani Baked Bronzer. This is my favorite bronzer from drugstore. And then followed by contour, and I'm gonna use my favorite palette right now. It's the Smashbox Holidaze Contour and Spotlight palette. And I'm just mixing these two colors. It's the bronze and contour shade. I'm doing the same thing on the nose, mixing those two shades together. And on the same palette, I'm going into this shade for my highlight, and this is called Crank It Up Champs. It's just so beautiful. And I'm switching to a smaller highlighting brush and going into the same shade and just highlighting my nose. And then for the blush, I'm going with Estee Lauder Pure Color Envy in Poppy Passion. This is the shade. I love this shade for the blush. For my eyes, I'm just gonna put concealer And I'm using the same one that I used on my face because I have the stain. I need to conceal that. And for eye look, it's gonna be really simple because you don't want to do too much. So I'm gonna set my eyes with the Smashbox palette as well, and I'm going to this light shade. And then I'm just gonna create a little bit of depth on my eyes using the contour shade from the Smashbox palette. Just put that on the crease. Just using blending brush. And then I'm using a small brush like this and going into the same highlight shade that I use on my face, and I'm highlighting my inner corner of my eyes. A little bit on my brow bone. And if you like eyeliner, go ahead, line your eyes. But because I have hooded eyes, so I don't really do eyeliner, so I'm just gonna put my mascara and some lash. And the lash I'll be using today is from Kiss Faux Mink collection. This is a little black dress. I really love this lash because it's so pretty and natural. And I will be doing off camera, and I will be right back. And now for my lips, I will be using lip liner first, and this is Wet n Wild in Bear to Comment. This is my favorite lip liner so far. And then followed by Smashbox Be Legendary lipstick in Honey. This is the Holidaze collection from last year. And of course I'm gonna set my face with the fresh Vitamin Nectar as well. And this is the final look. What do you guys think? Leave me the comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. And I love you guys so much. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!